Welcome. Following is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to reset network settings. So to start off, we will need to open up the Settings app. And from here, scroll down into General Management, right here, and choose Reset. And from here, you should see Reset Network Settings, second option right here. Tap on it and get a little notification of it will reset. Tap on Reset Settings and confirm it once more. And as you can see, network settings reset. And now, after this, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi again and anything else, Bluetooth, because everything is basically reset. But yeah, that's basically how you would do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.